Digital Green. We engage with small and marginal farmers to improve their productivity and food and nutrition security. Farmers produce videos showcasing sustainable agricultural practices and technologies, which are then disseminated within their communities. Videos are screened using battery operated pico projectors by rural entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs are farmers themselves and belong to the communities in which they work. They record data during each dissemination that they conduct. So they record data like interest levels, attendance, and each and every question that that individuals ask, um, in order to improve the quality of the videos, gain feedback, and provide support to the farmers with whom they work. We have built FarmerBook Mobile to support these rural entrepreneurs to leverage this data to improve the quality of the services they provide to their communities. Let's take a look. The landing page for FarmerBook shows us a map of India with various clusters of villages in which we work. So here you can see the villages in Western MP, Madhya Pradesh, and these are the villages in Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and so let's just zoom in and look at this particular cluster in Orissa. So as you can see here, we have these markers. So each of these markers, so there's this green marker saying A. This is a marker for a village called Baretoli. We don't really have data at that granularity. Latitude, longitudes are not available to us at that granularity. So we have incorporated openly available data of block boundaries. So here we have 3 blocks, Khunti, Chakradharpur and Kyonjhar. And let's just zoom into one of these blocks. And here we can see many more markers signifying the villages present in this block. So we've taken these boundaries and randomly distributed villages within these boundaries. So let's say we click on one of these and we can see information about the village Bharandia. Here our work began on the 29th of December, as you can see. There are 10 active farmers in this village. They've asked 16 questions and they've made 12 adoptions. Let's look at another example. So in this village, our work has been going on longer and there are 112 active farmers, and they have carried out 244 adoptions, actual adoptions of these practices on their fields. The service provider here is Revati Nayak. So the idea is for Revati Nayak to be able to use this interface to see the videos that she has shown in this village, such as weeding by Kono Weeder, use of growth promoter, and sort of see how they've sort of changed over time, and use the information to inform her further engagement with the community. And based on the interest levels that that farmers and the feedback that farmers gave, she can actually decide which videos she can show. So with the help of Palantir and other volunteers who joined us at the hackathon, we have been able to conduct more sophisticated analysis to support these service providers, and also to help us improve our interventions. So here we have a graph of expressed interest over districts. We can also see some analysis that one of the volunteers did on by building cohorts of villagers and gauge how their levels of engagement varied over time. These are wonderful ideas for us to actually pursue, and see how they can be integrated into, and honed in order to improve from. That's it.